Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर Well Quick Tips and Trick. And today I'm come up with another video on mango. It is mango season, so Tora mango pickle, and it is around 17 to 20 mangoes, raw mangoes. And now I have washed it and cut it into. You can cut it smaller size or bigger size, that's up to you. But as I'm going to dry this, give a sun dry, so that's why I've cut it into a bigger pieces. But it's up to you how what size you want. तर हांवें ही मातशी मोठी मोठी कातरून घेतल्या सगळी आनी ही जावन आसा एप्रॉक्स 17 ते 20. ओके. आणि आता ताका हांव मीठ घालता. तर हांव घालता हितून 2 कुलेरां मीठ आनी एका लावन हांव आतां अहेंच दवरतली. ओके. आनी फाल्यां एका वतान आतां वाऱ्याचीन सोडटली आनी फाल्यां मागीर हांव एका वतान एटलिस्ट 2 वत दितली आख्खो दीस फाल्यांचो आनी परवांचो. आनी मागीर तुमकां हांव तेजो मसालो दाखयता. कसलो मसालो घालता पळय तो मिस्कूट कहीत करतली चड करून, पूण मातशी सुकोवन घेता ह्या हेका आनी मातसो तीख मसालो घालून करुया मागीर. तर मेवची आनी 2 दिसांनी. थँक यू. सो नाव वॉट यू नीड फॉर आर pickle, mango pickle. So these are the ingredients, please note down. So this is 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, that is methi. Then this is 4 tablespoons of fennel seeds, that is soft. ओके. तर आनी हांगासर 2 कुलेरां घेतल्या मेथी आनी 4 कुलेरां घेतल्या आमचे सौंफ. Then what we need, Kashmiri chilies for color 6. Then I am taking for spiciness around 4 Goan chilies. Okay, so these are like, so if you have any chilies, whatever spicy chilies you can use. So this is for color, Kashmiri chili, and this is Goan chili, but you can use whatever y'all are having in your city, in your country, in your state, that you use. And then I am going to use bhedgi chilies, which is also spicy. So I am going to use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Okay. So spiciness according to you, but I want to make this pickle little bit of spicy. Then we need 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of our normal mustard seeds. Half teaspoon is hing and 1 teaspoon is turmeric powder. And then we will be adding this all and grinding. Now let's roast this. So you need to roast this separately and this separately and let it cool down. Then you have to grind this. I will show you then the next procedure. So low flame, roast this. So this is like how many mangoes you are taking. If you are taking 2 kgs, then you have to increase the ingredients according to the quantity of your mangoes. So whatever I am using for the quantity what I have used in this recipe. I will add a salt. Now we'll add a salt to this, so around 2 teaspoons of this. Because we added salt while we did for our mangoes. So जेन्ना आमी आंब्यांक लायन सुकोवंक दवरलेले तेन्ना मीठ लायलेले. I will grind this to fine powder. And here is our pickle powder ready. So here is my sun-dried mango. Now I will show you the next procedure. Again we have to dry this after the masala, okay? So we'll transfer this. In this, and now we will add our mustard oil. To this. And now we will add our masala to this. Mix this. We'll add some more oil to this. So like half cup of oil. Okay, now we'll cover this, and tomorrow we will have to keep this in sun, okay, to give us sunlight. For 4 days we have to continue to do this procedure and cover it with a muslin cloth and then leave it in the sun. Then I will show you the next procedure. Next procedure after this is only to put it in the bottle and preserve this for more than a year. You can preserve this more than a year. Okay, see you again. तर आता हे हांवें सगळो मसालो लावन आतां हांव हेका वताक दवरतली आनी 4 दीस आमकां हेका वताक दवरूंक जाय आनी तेजे वयर आमी तो मॉलमॉलाचो कपडो धांपूया आनी मागीर वतान दवरपाचें. ओके, तो मॉलमॉलाचो कपडो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक वारें पण वयतलें आनी तेका आमचे वती लागतले. तर तशें मातशें करून दवरा. जरी तर तुमकां हें प्रिजर्व करूंक जाय एप्रॉक्स लायक 1 वरस बा तुमकां प्रिजर्व करून दवरूंक जाय जाल्यार हो प्रोसिजर मातसो करपाचो. ओके. तर आता हांव तुमकां नेक्स्ट 4 दिसां उपरांत मेवची 4 दिसां उपरांत. थँक्यू. So now this is after 4 days keeping in the sunlight. तर हे 4 दिसां उपरांत आता आमचे पिकल तर आता आम्ही एका बाटलेन घालूया. So now we'll put this in the bottle. So we need again mustard oil. You don't have to make it hot, directly from the bottle. So we'll put some in this. So around 1 cup. And we'll add this in this. So now we will close this and store this. Okay, now if you want to again keep it in hot sun, you can keep this another 2 days, or this is ready. But I feel like we will keep this maybe in the fridge. You can keep, if it is in cold climate, then you can just keep it out. But if it is in hot place, then better to store it in our fridge. And you can use this for 1 year, this mango pickle. Hope you all will like this, enjoy this, and do let me know. Okay, but let it get little bit matured, more matured in this, then you can eat, or you can eat now also. Thank you so much. तर आता तुमका जाय जाल्यार बाटली गोड धांपून तुमच्यान एका आनीक 2-3 दीस वतान दवरूं येता, पूण नाजाल्यार डायरेक्टली तुमच्यान फ्रिजीन दवरूं येता, ओ तुमच्यान खावं येता. सो इट अप टू यू. मानता की तुमकां हें आवडटलें. देव बरें करूं. आनी पळय तेल घालतकच अशें येतलें, मागीर तें ऑटोमॅटीक हिंगा पावतलें. ओके, थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.